Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blitz. Sorry, in this video I just wanted to kind of test out my phone and my recording quality and stuff, and whether or not I'm going to use it for the channel, what I'm going to use it for in the channel. But in this video I'm going to be going over a simple graphics card overclock. So what I have in my system, I'll show you here, is the Aorus 2080 Ti triple fan. Now it comes pre-overclocked to like, I forget what it was, 1970 millihertz is what it comes pre-overclocked to, factory clocked. So in this video I'm going to show you how to actually do that and push it maybe a little bit farther. I have it now pushed to like 2070. I did have it over that in overclocking, but it got a little bit too hot. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to go to MSI Afterburner, which is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you guys kind of like a new feature they had, how to download the new feature for it, and things like that. So when you come to their MSI Afterburner page, which is right there, MSI Afterburner page. Once you get there, you're going to want to come down to the very bottom, kind of find this new feature. You'll see there's a download and then there's a beta download. So to sort of get this new feature, which is what I'm going to show you in 1 second, find it real quick somehow. I found it on their website before. Oh, the Overclock scanner. You want to download that beta version for this. Where's the full blog? So what it does is Overclock scanner is it sort of automatically overclocks for you. So if you want to go to this webpage and read through their website or whatever to figure out how to do this Overclock scanner and this and that, go ahead and read their article there on their webpage. And once you've downloaded MSI Afterburner and you've got it installed and everything like that, you open it up. So what I'm going to do is show you what I have in my core clock. I set my, with the overclock scanner in the settings, you can unlock voltage monitoring, so you can actually manually control the voltage now. But this is only available in the Overclock scanner beta version of the MSI Afterburner. There is a way to open up that Overclock scanner, and I think that is actually right here. If you go to Core Clock, there's a little Wi-Fi bar right there by Core Clock millihertz. Go ahead and click that, and we'll open up that new Overclock scanner feature. Okay, once you get here, click on this little bar, Overclock scanner, and then the first thing you want to do is scan, and it'll scan the maximum frequency your graphics card will sustain on an overclock. Once it's finished, go ahead and hit test, and then it'll tell you the probability of it crashing or being over too much, and then you just take your chances on using their clock or not. But it will tell you what to set in here. It'll tell you what settings to put in your core voltage, power limit, and stuff. It'll tell you what to use to follow their kind of like automatic thing. You'll just put in what their numbers are. So I have my 2080 Ti, obviously it's 2080 Ti. On my core voltage backed off a little bit. Power limit to 115 because it was getting a little bit too hot. Obviously right now it's 30 degrees, but that's, that's on idle. Your temperature limit, I have it set to 86 before I just wanted to kind of like quit overclocking. Your core clock, I have mine up 135, which is, it started at 1970 or whatever, 1950 millihertz, and I'm now up to like 2070, 2100, 2200. Memory clock, I only went up about 650. Fan speeds, I have on 100, 27% of the 24/7. And that's really all I have to show you in this video, guys, is the overclock scanner, how to find it, how to get it with the beta version on their website, and just how to kind of like follow with it, and then you can kind of play with your settings after that. As far as that goes, guys, if you're gonna try an overclock, if you're gonna try and boost any of these numbers up, only do like increments of 5 or 25 at a time. Like 5 on the power limit, temperature limit can be whatever you want. 25 on the core clock, 50 on the memory clock. Do increments of like that kind of bit. Test it out, see if your games crash. Keep going. You know, them increments again and again and again. Once you start seeing artifacts and crashing, go ahead and revert back to the last stable one. Go ahead and save that and close it off. And if you always want, you can just open that up, go to the overclock scanner, and it will test and scan. It'll make you kind of like a chart here. So obviously my max stable overclock would be up to here, of like 2100 according to their automatic systeming, and then this is the voltage that goes with it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. As always, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, because I'm still kind of figuring that out, how I'm going to implement phone recordings and things like that. I could have used OPS for this, but it's all good, guys. See you in the next one.